Good morning, Gavin. Here is my setup. I'm going to show you. Rebel coffee machine, all my doodads. I use when I first start out. I take the illy coffee in a scoop, using a healthy scoop. Put that in there, and we tamp it down. Take this out. This is a Breville plug that came with it, and we put this in. Turn the machine on. It takes a few minutes to set up, but you can see where at the right hand side it has a 2-cup button. So a cup is, let me find one here. Is one of these. So this is what I use for just 2 cups. So we're going to use 4 cups because that's what I do now. But we put this in here once this is ready to roll. Line it up, and I use this, which is the illy cap, to raise this up so any spray that comes down goes into the beaker. So I just press this once, and while it's making 2 cups, I pull this out. This is a shaker. I'll wash it out. Whoops, it's got one of these in it, and so I can take what I like, which is malt, and I have a special malt canister, and I take a nice, as big a scoop as I can get for that, and dump it into that. You can see that it sticks to that. So I wipe it off. Save this for later. And put this back. I can put this back now. And, well, this is getting cups 3 and 4. I can throw this, just a dollop of the world's best chocolate, you bet, and wait for the second 2 cups. Once that's done, I can shut that down, and then I pour this into the shaker, set this down, Close that up as tight as possible and start shaking. Then we pull a cup out, raise her down, pour this out, and at this point I can wash everything, put it back to where it was, and I'm ready for tomorrow. But I've also got myself an awesome cup of coffee that looks like that. And if I want to be fancy, I can drip this into a face if I'm careful enough. That's for you. I'm chewing on a toothpick. That's it.